Hi guys, welcome to my page, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. What are we cooking today? We are cooking melon soup, and first thing first, we are going to parboil that turkey, then we put it in the oven. As you can see, I'm seasoning with my turkey with different type of season. Yes, and before start, I wash my turkey thoroughly and I cut it into medium sizes, so I'm seasoning it thoroughly so that it can taste so good. Yes, so please guys, if you're just joining my page, kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments actually keep me going. So once I finish seasoning it, I'm going to stir it, which I'm doing now. So again, we are going to add a bit of water and we cover it for some minutes to allow it to cook. And while we are at that, we are going to set aside our start cooking our egusi soup. But I've already blended the melon with the mixed pepper and onions. So this is, I'm using palm oil. I added a bit of onions and locust beans. So I'm adding our mixed melon with mixed pepper and onions. So I'm putting Maggi cube. I allow it to cover to cook. It is very important for you to allow it to cook so that your soup won't taste raw. I say that in some of my videos. So turkey is ready. I put it in the oven and I added it to the soup. Added soup, cover it and allow it to cook. And this particular soup you can actually use to eat swallow rice, or you can actually eat it just like this. Yes, so now we allow it to cook. I'm stirring. Yes, I love melon soup. Who has loved melon soup? Melon soup is, wow, is the best. Yes, especially when you try it with pando or white rice. Oh, wow, a trial will convince you. You can actually try this particular soup. It tastes so good and it tastes so nice. Please, thank you guys for staying tuned, and please watch out for my next video. Bye.